to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 126 of our 365-day daily devotional. I about forgot how many days there was in a year. Anyways, if you've missed any of the previous episodes, there is a playlist in the description box, and that's it. Let's jump right in. Okay, number 126. Let me give you guys the verses for today. I like to do that. That way you have them. You can go back and check them out in your Bible, or you just can see how the Lord uses these throughout your day. Okay. Come to me for all that you need. Come into my presence with thanksgiving, for thankfulness opens the door to my treasures. When you are thankful, you affirm the central truth that I am good. I am light, in whom there is no darkness at all. The assurance that I am entirely good meets your basic need for security. Your life is not subject to the whims of a sin-stained deity. Relax in the knowledge that the one who controls your life is totally trustworthy. Come to me with confident expectation. There is nothing you need that I cannot provide. Short and sweet, totally to the point, huh? Come to me for all that you need. Come into my presence with thanksgiving, for thankfulness opens the door to my treasures. The assurance that I am entirely good meets your basic need for security. That's so true. God is my security, 100%. Absolutely 100% my security. Doesn't mean that things are not going to happen, because we live in a fallen world, and things happen. Bad things happen. But I know that one day I'm going to heaven, and everything's going to be okay then. No more tears, no more suffering, no more hurt. None of that. Says, relax in the knowledge that the one who controls your life is totally trustworthy. Come to me with confident expectations. There is nothing you need that I cannot provide. Confident expectations. When you pray confidently. Pray to the God that you know is there. The one that literally controls everything. Be confident in the Lord. When you ask God for something, expect it. Expect God to answer your prayer. He might not answer it the way you want him to, but look for the answers. Expect it. Go to God with expectations. Yeah. Let's do the verses. Let us come before him with thanksgiving and extol him with music and song. Psalms 95:2. This is the message we have heard from him and declare to you. God is light, In him there is no darkness at all. 1 John 1:5. The law of the Lord is perfect, reviving the soul. The statutes of the Lord are trustworthy, making wise the simple. Psalms 19:7. Let us then with confidence draw near to the throne of grace, that we may receive mercy and find grace to help in time of need. Hebrews 4:16. Listen to that again. Let us then with confidence draw near to the throne of grace, that we may receive mercy and find grace to help in time of need. Hebrews 4:16. Be confident in the Lord. Believe in the Lord wholeheartedly, and then confidently go to him with your needs. He already knows. He's just waiting on you. And then expect God to be there for you. Have expectations in your relationship with the Lord. Very, very good. There is nothing you need that I cannot provide. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you guys so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.